59 degrees. It's cool. Yeah, I mean, we're below average, and we probably are going to struggle to get close to our average high, which is in the mid-60s. But at least we're going to try to do that today, because later this week, it just gets flat out ugly as far as your forecast goes. Nothing majorly impactful, but just some, just miserable weather out there. I wish I had a better spin for it. So let's concentrate on today and just enjoy how nice this is. The dew point is in the 40s. We've got temperatures pushing 60. The wind has shifted over to the west. It was southwesterly this morning. It'll go more northwesterly and then eventually just northerly overnight as that cooler air comes in behind our front. So we've got more or less mid to upper 50s south and temperatures around 60 right along and ahead of the front. And as it passes through, as we go through the course of the day, we'll probably hold around the low to mid 60s for highs. So here's where the ugliness starts to set in. We've got a good dry run for the next 3 days, and then, of course, you can see temperatures continuing to crater down into the 40s over the weekend. And along with that, unfortunately, right there is the operative word, wet. We've got rounds of showers tracking our way as well. So go along with the cooler weather, we've got those rain chances on the rise heading into your upcoming weekend. Just not for a couple more days. So even though we're going to cool down, we're not going to see any precipitation. The max track is clear. Your cold front was up over Indiana and Illinois earlier this morning. It's just right along the river and getting in here and then tracking through as we go through the day. So the cold front pushes through, no precipitation, basically just another shot of cool, dry air, cooler air than we're dealing with now. And you'll feel the full impact of that overnight and into tomorrow as temperatures, overnight lows get colder and your daytime highs take a hit. Future track, nothing really to show next couple of days. So what we'll end up seeing by Thursday and into Friday is an increase in cloud cover, and the rain chance is looking better for Friday. So you've got today, you got tomorrow, and you've got Thursday before we get wet again. So just, be prepared for that. And if you have anything else to do outside today, tomorrow, Thursday will be your last chance before we get into the rain chance this weekend. It looks like it'll come in a couple of waves, Thursday night into Friday, and then another late weekend peak, maybe a bit of a break Saturday. And all said and done, by the time we round it all out, we could be talking a quarter to a half an inch, maybe some spots pushing an inch of rain, but this will be coming in a couple of waves, so it'll be spread out over the weekend. Satellite imagery as we pop out in the Atlantic, still quiet there, and still they're bracing for impact along the coast of Mexico there. Willa drawing closer and continuing to weaken. It went through an eyewall replacement cycle, and it's also been dealing with some wind shear. So it has gone from a Cat 5 yesterday, now down to a Category 3 with the latest update. Winds down from that peak around 160 miles per hour to 125 miles per hour. And it is starting a little bit of a northeast hook that's eventually going to take it inland into Mexico. Still could be a major hurricane at landfall. 60s, sunny, dry, a nice afternoon, one to enjoy, especially when you look back on it fondly this weekend when you're talking about 40s and potential rain chances. Clear and colder, down to freezing tonight. It does get colder. We only dropped to the low to mid 40s in the Bluegrass this morning. So yeah, colder mornings, cooler afternoons, a good 10-degree drop or more tomorrow, so 50s on the way. And then here comes that on again, off again chance for cold rain showers this weekend.